In this video, we're going to talk about your master list. You can access your master list from the Master List tab on the mmojo homepage. The master list is an automatically maintained list of all the unique companies that are contained in your entire portfolio of lists. You can see here the total number of unique companies currently in this portfolio. The master list does not include unmatched companies that may be in your lists. Over here is additional information about your portfolio. And here is a graph of the data activity showing your master list size over time. Note that your mmojo subscription allows you to have a master list of up to 250,000 companies. If you need a larger master list size, contact us for custom pricing. The master list is an extremely powerful tool. You can use it when building new lists to constrain or exclude the results. You can share, copy, and export your master list. You cannot append data to your master list. However, you can create a copy of your master list and append data to that copy. That's it for this video. We'll talk to you again soon.